Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 9th class physics, first chapter measurements and experimentations. In this class we will discuss about simple pendulum problems and the formulas. So simple pendulum formulas, F means frequency equal to 1 by T or T equal to 1 by F. So inversely proportional. So T means time, F means frequency. G equal to 4 pi square by slope of T square versus L graph. So T proportional to root L or T square proportional to L. So this is the T and L relationship. And T time and G relationship is T proportional to 1 by root G. So the formula is relationship of the T, L, G equal to the formula T equal to 2 pi root L by G or T square equal to 4 pi square L by G. This is the simple problems of the simple pendulum. First problem, calculate the length of a seconds pendulum of a place where G equal to, G means gravity, per second square. So what did they ask? Length. Find the length. Length means L. So seconds pendulum, one oscillation takes 2 seconds. We know that. So T equal to 2 seconds, G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So what did they ask? Find the length. So L equal to, find the length. We know the formula T equal to 2 pi root L by G or T square equal to 4 pi L by G. So in this formula we find the length formula. First of all we find the length formula. Okay. So L by G equal to T square by 4 pi. So L by G equal to T square by 4 pi. So we will cross multiplying this. 4 pi L equal to T square G. Okay. 4 pi L equal to T square G. So what do you want? L. So L equal to T square G by 4 pi. So the value is T square means 2 square. G means 9.8. 4 into pi value is the fixed value. We know that 22 by 7. So 2 square means 4 into 9.8 by 22 into 4, 88 by 7. So the final answer is 0.994 meters. So length equal to 0.994 meters. Here in this problem we know the RG. So how the formula is changed? So this is the technique of the changing of formula. Here in this problem they ask L. So how can we change the formula? This is the fixed formula, we know that. But how can we change this? So here this is one value, this is another value, this is another value. So we want L by G. So L by G equal to before the equal to value is upside. That is very important. L by G the one value and L by G equal to before the equal to value is upside. T square by this value is downside. So L by G equal to T square by 4 pi. Now we will cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means 4 pi L equal to T square G. So what do you want? We want to, after the equal to value, T square G by 4 pi. So T square values and G. Easy technique of the change of the formula. Second problem. Compare the time of a simple pendulum at places where G equal to 9.8 meter per second square and 4.36 meter per second square. Here they give comparison of the gravity. So two values they give. It means G1 equal to 9.8, G2 equal to 4.36. Is the relationship of the T and the G. So we know that T proportional to L by root G. So T1 by T2 equal to G2 by root G2 by G1. This is the formula. So T1 by T2 equal to G2 is 4.36 by G1 equal to 9.8. So the cancellation, so 1.15. So answer is 2 by 3. So T1 equal to 2, T2 equal to 3. So this is the value of the T1 and T2. Compare the time period of two simple pendulum length 1 meter and 16 meter at a place. Here they give length to 1 meter 16 meter means L1 L2. They give two lengths L1 L2. What did they ask? Time period. It means T1 T2. So what is the relationship of the T and L? We know that T proportional to root L. It means the formula is T1 by T2 equal to root L1 by L2. So this is the formula. So we know that what is the length? 1, L1 equal to 1, L2 equal to 16. So we know that root 16 equal to 4. So 1 by 4. So T1 is to T2 equal to 1 is to 4. So T1. A simple pendulum is made by suspending a bob of mass 500 grams by a string of a length 1 meter. Calculate its time period at a place G equal to 10 meter per second square. So here in this problem, what did they give? First of all, they give the length. Length equal to L equal to 1 meter and the G equal to 10 to the 10 meter per second square. So a simple pendulum is made by suspending a bob of mass by a string of length 1. Calculate its time period. So they ask time. So T equal to, we know the formula 2 pi root L by G. That equal to L means 1, G means 10. 2 pi means 2 into 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 means 3.14 into L means 1, G means 10. So root 1 by 10. So answer is 1.99 seconds. So this is the direct formula. Next one, same in this problem. How will the time period in part A be affected if bob of mass 100 grams is used, keeping the length of string unchanged? So the mass is changed from 500 in this problem, but in this problem the bob of mass 100 grams, what is the length of the string? Unchanged. On changing the bob by other bob of different mass, the time period will remain unaffected because it does not depend on the mass of the bob. Another problem, compare the time periods of two pendulums of length 1 meter and 9 meter. So here they give lengths L1, L2. So what did they ask? Time periods. So T1, T2. So we know the relationship of L and T. T proportional to root L. It means T1 by T2 equal to root L1 by L2. We know the values of 1 meter, 9 meter. So 1 by 9. We know the root of 9 equal to 3. So answer is T1 is to T2 equal to 1 is to 3. Another problem, the time periods of two simple pendulums at a place ratio 2 is to 1. So the time values is T1, T2 equal to 2 is to 1. So what is the ratio of their lengths? So we know the formula T1 by T2 equal to root L1 by L2 by 1. It means L1 is to L2 equal to 4 is to 1. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.